What's up everybody, Hardcore RC here. Got an unboxing video for you today. Went out to the local model shop today, just have a look around and came back with a new toy to play with. Before we get into the unboxing video though, I'd first like to apologise to everyone on our previous indoor videos because I realised there was a lot of flicker going on. I was looking for some anti-flicker lights when I realised I'd made a schoolboy error. And the GoPro that I used to video was actually set at 60 Hertz. We're based in the UK and our power supply is on 50 Hertz, so that was causing the flicker. So I've now changed it to 50 Hertz when recording inside, and hopefully we're flicker free now. So again, apologies, but hopefully flicker free. So what did I buy today? Let's have a look. So guys, I came back with the new Outcast 8S. Box is huge. Haven't even opened it, looked at it in the store, which you can see on our Instagram feed, which is hardcore_RC on Instagram. A few pictures of us purchasing it there. But I'm thinking I might need to get a bigger workbench. We'll have to see how it goes. I'm used to the 6S models and the 3S models, and I built this workspace for those. Not thinking I'd ever get an 8S. I wasn't keen on the Graphene 8S. But the Outcast 8S, I don't know, the colour of it, seeing other people getting it, Lee at Custom RC Upgrades, I kind of blame him, because seeing him opening it and taking photos of it and then saying how well it ran and everything, it was, my purchase finger got a bit itchy. So I headed up to the model shop with my son today, who's been over all week, and yeah, I bought it. Okay, so let's see if we can get into an unboxing video. I don't know how it's going to go based on the space that I have available. It might be a bit difficult, but we'll see how we get on. Okay, let's have a look on the side of the box before we open it up. What have we got? So obviously we've got the wheelie bar at the back, the ultra thick composite front and rear shock towers, multi-structure centre brace system for maximum durability. This is actually different sections. They updated the Creighton 8S model because there were some issues with it. So this is now a split centre brace section, which has been obviously carried over from the Creighton 8S. Strong composite chassis side pods, laser etched aluminium anodised chassis, so we'll have a look at that underneath when we get it out. Tough stunt track wheels and multi-terrain Deboots backflip tyres. You see the backflips are synonymous now with the Outcast models and the Notorious models. Oil filled adjustable shocks, super durable wheel hubs for increased strength, and then we have the sliding motor mount, easy access 3-bolt sliding motor mount removal, easy access waterproof electronics module, easy access front and rear diff module design, and this is the laser etched chassis. As I said, we'll look at that in the flesh shortly when we get it out of the box. And then massive 20mm bore shocks. Now it does come with a Spectrum DX3 Smart DSMR controller, where you can get the Spectrum dashboard app, which gives a lot of feedback to your, so you can see. I've not used this yet, so it doesn't come on the 6S models or anything. I think this is unique to the 8S models currently, but we get that and see what information it comes back with. Spectrum waterproof 40kg servo, and then we have the Spectrum Firma 1250 kV brushless motor. We have the Firma 160 amp smart waterproof ESC, and here we have an actual comparison size wise from the 8S to the 6S models. So these are the gears, quite a big difference, and then the difference in the size of the shocks. Again, that's quite a big difference there. Okay, let's get into her. See what we've got in this box. I imagine this is the controller. That's the new controller with this. Quite nice. Nice foam steering wheel. Actually quite a good feel to the trigger. And as I said, it's got the smart features on there. Smart battery level, I think that reports back from the car to how much battery power you've got left in the car, so that's going to be quite helpful. And I said it's the DX3 smart controller. What else have we got in here? Some thank in German by the looks of it, which haven't got a clue what it says, so who knows. And then we have the toolbox inside with some stickers, an instruction manual. Also looks like we've got the speed pinion in there as well. Okay, let's get her out of the box. Oh, she's heavy. Let's have a look at the outside of it. I mean, what this colour is, it really pops. It's probably not coming through that well on the camera, but it is it's a lovely red, and the fake wood side really gives it some detail as well. Severe, obviously, roll cage with anti-skid plates at the top. Very nice.
What can I say any more than desire? More than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love at the side of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart today. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So
okay guys, there she is. So let's get the lid off. And there we are guys. The inside of the new Outcast 8S. Right, let's get in close and see what we've got guys. So here's the Spectrum 1250 kV motor with a big 40mm fan on top. A nice heat sink there. It's obviously the power module coming in here. So it's interesting to see what that's like when I have to get into it. Battery trays, one either side, one in there, one there, and these are adjustable. There's some screws under here I think you can undo and slide it to accommodate different size batteries. Obviously the huge big bore shocks on this with the big A-arms. Nice big Deboots backflip tyres. These are absolutely huge guys. Nice Arrma engraving down the side, and the wheelie bar, oh my god, that thing is absolutely huge. This is just all so oversized compared to a 6S model, and we will get the 6S model out next to it, and probably the 4S model as well, when you try and see if we can get it all on the bench and do a comparison between them. And then we come to the front. Again, the big chunky A-arms, nice aluminium anodized end caps there, big bog shocks again, a nice beefy front bumper here. Similar, looks like the design is actually similar to the Kraton EXB design, with this pressable part there. It's all fairly flexible. And then we come round to the other side. We've got the big 160 amp ESC, the Spectrum firmer one. Underneath there is the servo. Big servo saver on there. Again, we're on XT, or yeah, sorry, we're on EC5 connectors. And then again, carried over from the Creighton 8S V2 redesign is the split tail brace here. As you can see, it comes apart. It's just to help, surprisingly enough, stop the chassis bending. But as I said, all the upgrades they did to the Creighton V2 been carried over to the Outcast 8S model as well. And then to the drive shaft with their D-Safe design on that. And then if we flip it underneath, have a look underneath, and there we have the nice engraved chassis, which unfortunately probably won't stay that way for long. So that was an unboxing of the new Outcast 8S. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it answered any questions you may have. If not, you know, leave something in the comments below, good or bad, one way or the other. I'm going to be doing another video with this on a run, hopefully get it on the drone as well. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications. Also do a comparison, put this up against the Outcast 4S and our notorious 6S. So that will be up hopefully this week in another video. Thank you to everybody that has subscribed so far. I think we're on 205 subscribers now, so thank you very much. However, a lot of people are still viewing without subscribing, so you know, if you do want to see what we're doing, enjoy what we're doing, please subscribe, give us a like, and leave comments in the comments below. I try and answer all of them. So anyway guys, take care everyone, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.